Today we are doing a 1 month overview of the wood-fired hot tub. I've had this thing going for about a month. I've used it, I think, 3 out of the past 4 weekends. We have a pretty good idea of how this thing functions and how good it actually is. And I can honestly say it's a success. It's a good, usable hot tub. Basically, it takes about 2.5 hours to get it up to temperature, and it'll hold it up to temperature for another hour after that. You just need to run the fire for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to get it to the point where it's nice and toasty. And then from there, you're good to go. We have this thing set up for about $300, $350. The only parts that you actually need for this is the stock tank from Tractor Supply. 25 feet of copper coils, not 50 feet. I bought 50 feet at first, but that was completely wrong. A small fountain pump that I got off of Amazon that I have plugged into my power station to keep it off grid. Some water hoses just to kind of connect it up to the copper tubing. Some hose clamps, and also some fittings to go through the actual stock tank. So yeah, this thing's not hard to set up. We have an up and running hot tub that cost me $0 for my electricity bill. It takes about 2.5 hours to get it going, which is kind of annoying to have to operate a fire, but right now I'm just packing up for a camping trip and letting the fire run so it doesn't take up too much time. We put some insulation on the side with a nice ratchet strap on it to kind of hold it in place. It looks kind of ghetto, but it does the job. Overall, definitely happy with this. The only thing is we have an upgrade coming soon. The next video, we're going to be putting a propane water heater on top of this to kind of eliminate the fire aspect of this, so I can kind of flip the switch and walk away. Hopefully that's efficient enough to still be useful and cost effective, because now I'll have to pay for propane to get this hot instead of just using the free scrap wood that I have. That is the next step of this hot tub, because we want to do some more off-grid DIY stuff and still keep our off-grid hot tub off-grid, but just in a different way. Started this fire at about 5:30, which is about a half hour ago, and it started at 60 degrees, and now we are rocking about 75 degrees. So we've gone up 15 degrees in about a half hour. Things heat up pretty quick, especially now that it's not cold outside. This can heat up pretty quickly, so it's actually not terribly inefficient to use. I just wanted to show you guys our hot tub now that we have it up and running, and kind of give you my experience of using it for a month. This thing's sweet. I have a little 2x6 that goes across it. I put a beer on there, and me and my wife can chill out in here. Once we put the baby to bed, it's definitely a nice thing to have. Very cheap to set up and even cheaper to run. I'm going to put a spreadsheet or a link to everything that I use to build this in the description. That way, if you want to build one yourself, you can have a full itemized list of what I use to be able to get this going. And for under $400, you yourself could have your own wood-fired hot tub. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on a hot tub and then spending hundreds of dollars every month on your electric bill, you could have this thing going for next to nothing. So this is my month-long review. So we've been using this thing. We're pretty experienced. The only thing is, the past couple times that I used it, it was actually too hot because I let it run for too long. And even though I kind of let the fire die, just the coals are so hot that the water keeps heating, even though it's flowing, and it got a little too hot, and we had to run the hose water to kind of cool it back down. But I guess it's easier to cool it down than it is to heat it up. Put some fresh cold hose water in there and it'll kind of tone the temperature down a bit. So there is no exact temperature control, so you kind of need to keep an eye out on the temperature. Make sure you don't get in it when it's too hot and burn yourself. That'd be bad. All in all, very happy with this. My month-long review. We're going to do some more changes to this thing to kind of make it a little better, kind of keep experimenting with this. Build sheet is in the description. Everything you need to build this exact wood-fired hot tub. We're also going to be updating this to run it on propane, so that'll be interesting. We'll see how that works out. I'll do a little build video and then a test video of that. You have this set up. You have about 2.5, 3 hours, and you're up to over 100 degrees. So hopefully you guys build one. If you do build one, let me know. This would be cool for a nice cabin by a lake or something like that. I don't have a cabin by a lake, but this is just what I have to deal with right now. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe for the next one, and stay tuned for our propane-fired DIY hot tub video. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.